Welcome to TTI. Welcome to a whole new world of science, fun, and machines. Subscribe now and don't miss anything. AQUA. The AQUA is an amazing roof cleaning machine developed by German roof cleaners. It works in a manner similar to pressure washing, by using pressure of as much as 500 bar delivered through a pump, with a capacity exceeding 30 liters per minute. It carries out its thorough removal of dirt and grime by individually adjusting the machine's jets to the roof surface. Weighing about 198 pounds, the AQUA can be maneuvered by just one worker and has been demonstrated to work on concrete roof tiles, clay tiles, and sheet metal roof with equal ease, as it works on paving stones and parking lots. You can have this amazing device at prices starting from $1,000. Human Hoist. The Human Hoist is on this list because, amazingly, it does not make use of any metal or technology to carry out its effects. It is an innovative combination of shop chair and creeper that looks like it was taken from the chilling imagination of a science fiction writer. It helps you lift yourself up from a sitting position and vice versa through the use of a joystick, which can then be manipulated to tilt or rotate in any angle in 10-degree increments. With the Human Hoist, you gain the ability to automatically adjust your body to suit whatever position is best for the particular activity you're involved in. It has proven to be popular among car mechanics, plane mechanics, for disabled or injured people, or even to help with rehabilitation. It serves as a truly convenient way to make sure that you and your workers remain healthy and avoid physical work hazards like knee and back injuries. Human support. The big brains over at Japanese company Preferred Networks have created an amazing software for robotic systems. The aptly named Human Support serves as a means to help control and coordinate the operation of robots. It weighs 70 pounds, travels at a maximum speed of about 3 kilometers per hour, and climbs slopes up to 5 degrees. This system is so effective that when it was implemented in human supports, robots gained the capability to recognize objects scattered around the room, pick them up, and put them where they should be. That's not scary at all. With its maneuverable, compact, and lightweight cylindrical body and folding arm, the Human Support robot is capable of a number of amazing feats of movement and flexibility, making it one of the most exciting new prospects in robotic engineering today. TAJIMA SEIRYO. In Japan, it's always hot girl summer. Temperatures can reach up to a scalding 40 degrees Celsius, with humidity as high as plus 90%. In order to avoid heat stroke, people have turned to the TAJIMA SEIRYO cooling helmet fan, a portable device that creates a cool breeze for you on the go. The cooling helmet stays secure at the base of your skull with a silicone funnel that is connected to a powerful high-speed fan. The cooling helmet also improves productivity by increasing worker comfort, thereby lengthening the time they can work. All you need to do to use the cooling helmet is to activate it by pushing a button, and a cooling airstream is channeled from the fan through the mini tunnel, both under your helmet and in the neck and back of the head area. It is powered by a 5500 mAh battery, capable of working for up to 8 hours at a stretch. Lumio Book. Lumio is a unique bit of art that also serves a practical purpose as lighting for your home or office. It was designed by Max Gunawan, a former San Francisco architect, and looks like a wooden book cover. The Lumio measures 8.5 inches tall, 7 wide, and 1.25 thick. If you're worried about rainforests and the environment, you can rest assured because the Lumio is made from FSC certified wood, giving you the assurance to enjoy your luxury without a guilty conscience. The Lumio can open a full 360 degrees to display pages lit with beautiful light, and it is capable of up to 8 hours of battery life, rechargeable by USB. Generates a decent 500 lumen and can be yours at prices starting from $160. Bosch IXO. When we talk about compact equipment, the Bosch IXO stands heads and shoulders above the pack. It is a cordless screwdriver that grants easy access to hard-to-reach areas by means of its cordless design. It was created with the addition of LED lighting, making it easy to use even in low light and inaccessible areas like cracks, joints, and corners. If that's not enough, take a look at the other accessories. Other additions can turn the screwdriver into a cutting saw or allow you to grind spices. Carbide reciprocating blades. When you join the part of the tool visible on the screen with a power unit, you get what is arguably the most exciting new tool in the industry today. The Carbide blades from Diablo offer exceptional performance in a range of sizes, all of which possess the capability to slice through thick metal in mere seconds. It has been shown to cut through cast iron, corners profiles, high-strength alloys, and stainless steel with equal ease, while providing up to 50 times longer cutting life. BushTec trailer. One of the main problems with portable transportation devices is the lack of extra storage space. The BushTec, an American company that manufactures motorcycle trailers, has come through with a striking new feature to solve this problem that incidentally resembles the back of a car. They have created more than 10 unique models, and they can create new custom offers on demand. Aside from practicality, BushTec also provides technological advancement, such as a stabilizer bar, robust 6-layer tires, and a 360-degree swivel joint storage. There you have it, folks, a list of the 8 most insane inventions from all over the world. Which of these inventions did you think were the most insane? Tell us in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell notification icon to ensure you don't miss any upcoming videos. See you next time.